Yeah, I mean, really, they're creating a publication, right? And it's a huge thing, and I want them to feel like they can do that. They can imagine something, they can put a structure in place, they can have a vision, and they can lead their staff going through. So this class is really about talking about content that can drive design and drive people to their site so that as journalists or publication can serve their community.
So my favorite part is like being able to be around other people who love doing the same thing that I love doing, because journalism is kind of, I don't want to say nerdy, but like it's a not very typical interest or passion. So to come to a camp where everyone else around me is passionate about the same thing, it's like, it's a really cool feeling, but it's also really different from anything else just because of the nature of journalism.
A lot of students come in saying nobody looks at the website, everyone cares about the print, and that's ironic because everyone has a phone. And everyone would go to the website if there were things that engaged them and they wanted to look at. People think that people are more invested in print, but you don't know what stories they actually read, right? How much time they spent on it. And the people who are reading print, for the most part, are the people who are in your school who have that paper in their hand, right? Alum, community members, they're on the website.